this audio.
Bye.
So, well, everyone, it means that it's time for us to start our meeting today. Let's start our meeting today by saying good evening, everyone. Are you happy this evening?
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Happy, sis.
Okay, I hope
I'm
that you
happy.
are always happy. Semoga teman-teman dalam keadaan bahagia selalu.
Amin.
You don't have money, meskipun teman-teman nggak punya uang, tetap bahagia ya.
Oh, no,
Yes,
no.
yes.
Because money not
Apalagi,
everything.
oh, because money is not everything.
No money, no jajan.
Besok
But
gajian.
No money, no happy.
But everything need money.
But everything needs money, bener banget. Tapi semuanya
No
butuh
money, no
uang.
happy.
Yang ada malah pusing. Okay, so well everyone, I'm going to direct to our our material today. If yesterday we have discussed about simple present, kemarin kita sudah belajar tentang simple present, and the things that we haven't discussed is about the correlation or how do we have to use simple present. Jadi yang belum adalah cara menggunakan simple present for speaking part. Oh, kemarin it's only for some of the question. Kemarin kan beberapa pertanyaan. Nah, bagaimana kalau teman-teman disuruh cerita nih? Oke, disuruh cerita how to use simple present. Nah, karena kemarin simple present has correlation with daily routine, it means that I'm going to ask to Sis Baiti. Sis Baiti, are you there?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm here.
Sis Baiti, do you have morning routines?
Yes, I have.
Okay, what is your morning routines?
Go to work.
Yeah, can you tell me about what is your morning routine since you wake up until you go to your work? Mulai bangun tidur sampai pergi kerja, itu Sis Baiti ngapain aja?
Oh, okay. For the first, at pray time,
Okay.
wake up, and then after prayer, I'm back to sleep. Till
Back to sleep.
at about 6 o'clock p.m. And I wake up again. Then I'll go to shower and prepare to go to work.
Okay.
And at 8 o'clock p.m. I start to go to work and my daily routine.
Okay. Nah, so where do you work? Di mana kamu bekerja?
I work in Central Jakarta at a company.
Okay, company at Central Jakarta. Okay, di Jakarta Pusat ya.
Yeah.
Okay, salah satu perusahaan di Jakarta Pusat. That's really great. What time do you usually get off work? Jam berapa biasanya selesai kerja?
About 6 p.m. 6 o'clock p.m.
6 o'clock p.m.
Yeah.
Berapa lama kerjanya itu, Sis?
9
jam.
Yeah.
9 hours.
Include break 1 hour.
Okay. Okay. How do you go to your work? Bagaimana kamu pergi bekerja?
By transportation, public transportation.
Oh, by public transportation. Okay, thank you, Sis Baiti.
Yeah, you're welcome, sis.
Okay, how about for the next one? I'm going to choose Bro Khairul Jasmi. Are you there, Bro Khairul Jasmi? Bro Khairul?
Yes.
Okay, Bro Khairul, do you have any morning routines?
6 o'clock. up and breakfast,
Okay.
1 cup coffee, and scroll media social and
Social media.
social media and writing a newspaper.
Writing
Go
or
to
reading?
reading newspaper,
Read newspaper.
and I'm go to office.
Mm-mm.
uh,
What time do you go to office?
Anytime.
Anytime. Where do you
Yes,
work?
I'm a journalist.
Okay. So means that your hobby is writing.
Not hobby. I'm work writing one day.
Berarti
Yeah, and
nulis-nulis gitu.
writing, and yes,
Okay. Do you have a book, right?
yes.
The book that you
I
have already shared to your friends? How many books have you written? Sudah berapa banyak buku yang Bro Khairul tulis?
20 books.
20 books. What about the books? Tentang apa itu bukunya, Bro?
Novel and history and gempa apa ya?
Earthquake.
Earthquake and so on. And so
Okay.
on.
When did you start writing? Kapan Bro Jasmi mulai menulis? Suka nulis itu sejak kapan? I like writing.
I read writing 15 tahun lalu.
15 years ago.
15 years ago.
Wow. 15 years ago. Why do you like to writing?
Kenapa suka
Why do
menulis?
you like writing? Kenapa kamu suka menulis?
I don't know. I like.
You just like that.
Yes, I like writing storytelling.
Okay. For now, are you working in one of the TV station or magazine or publisher or what?
I'm a newspaper.
Newspaper. Okay. What newspaper are you working at?
Name newspaper.
The name of the newspaper that you write.
Singgalang Daily of newspaper West Sumatra. Big newspaper West Sumatra.
West Sumatra newspaper, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Thank you, Bro Jaspi, for sharing about your morning routine.
Okay.
Okay. Now for the next one, it belongs to Bro Sis Eli Justina. Hello, Sis Eli Justina.
Sorry,
Okay. Sis Eli, are you working?
No,
No?
I'm housewife, yeah.
Oh, you are a housewife. Okay, so means that you really have a tight schedule ya. Pasti you have a busy schedule. Jadi jadwalnya padat banget. Okay. Okay. Nah, Sis Eli Justina, what do you usually do in a break time? In a break time, kalau punya waktu luang, Sis Justina ngapain?
Of course, watching drama.
Watching drama, Korean drama ya, especially.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, how about what do you like to do before going to sleep? Kalau sebelum tidur, what is your night routine?
Me and my kids almost have a routine to membaca ini firman apa? Reading Bible for kids and also singing, praying. Oh, because my husband not here, so it's me and my kids.
Oh, it's only you and your kids only. Okay. And then what do you like to do in the morning? Kalau pagi ngapain sih? Lebih suka ngapain?
For housewife, the morning is the waktu yang paling sibuk ya. Because we should cooking, take apa take the bus, and also
Cooking and
ngasih makan mereka, and many activities another.
Okay. How many children do you have, Cicely?
2 children. One first one is daughter and
Sorry,
second one
I
son.
can hear that. Wait, ini kok saya nggak bisa denger ya? Wait,
Halo?
sis. Tiba-tiba keputus. Tunggu. Okay. How many children do you have, Sis Ellie?
I have 2 children.
You have 2 children. Boy or girls?
Halo Sis Pipi.
Okay, wow, that's so cute. Girls, yeah? Girls and boy?
Girls and boy, yeah.
Okay, thank you, Sis Ellie.
You're welcome.
Okay, so well everyone, as I told you that today is time for us to discuss about daily routine. How do we have to tell about our daily routine? Gimana sih cara menceritakan kegiatan sehari-hari kita? I have already provided one of the paragraph here. Paragrafnya sudah saya sediakan di sini. Here is the example. Ini adalah contoh. Oke, kebetulan this example it belongs to Mr. Miller. Nah, ini adalah daily activities-nya si Mr. Miller. So, I'm going to call Sis Henny. Would you like to read the paragraph?
Yes.
Bisa minta tolong dibaca? Ya. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm an English teacher and I have a big family. So I have a very busy daily routine. First, I get up every day at 6 o'clock, get dressed and leave for work by 7:30. I get to school at 8 o'clock. I prepare my lessons and then teach until noon. The others, teachers, and I always eat lunch and talk together in the teacher's room. I teach again in the afternoon, and then I correct my students' homework and tests. After I get back home, I help my kids with their homework. I have 3 kids in elementary school. Their names are Matthew, John, and Tuesday. Then I do some exercise, eat dinner with my family, and watch TV before I go to bed at about 10 o'clock. We love to watch travel shows. Finally, I read in bed for a few minutes before I fall asleep.
Okay, thank you, Sis Henny.
Welcome.
Okay, Bro Fitra. Okay, coba Bro Fitra. 1, 2, 3, go. Mati lagi.
Okay.
Ya, coba.
Okay. I am an English teacher and I have a big family. So I have a very busy daily routine. First, I get up every day at 6 o'clock. Get washed and dressed and leave for work by 7:30. I get to school at 8 o'clock. I prepare my lesson o'clock. Okay. I get to school at 8 o'clock.
O'clock. Oh, biasa. O'clock.
O'clock. Okay, this. O'clock. I prepare my lesson and then
Lessons.
I prepare my lessons and then teach until noon. The others teacher and I always at lunch and talk together in the teacher's room. I teach again in the afternoon and then I correct my students' homework and tests. After I get back home, I help my kids with their homework. I have 3 kids in elementary school. Their names are Matthew, John, and Susie. Then I do some exercise. At dinner with my family and watch TV. Before I go to bed at about 10 o'clock. We love to watch travel show. Finally, I read in bed for a few minutes before I fall asleep.
Okay, thank you, Bro Fitra.
Yes. Welcome, sis.
Okay. So, well, everyone, here are the examples about how do we have to tell our daily routine. Jadi, after this, I'm going to ask you to tell about your daily routine. Karena contohnya sudah ada di sini, berarti setelah ini teman-teman yang menceritakan kegiatan sehari-harinya, mulai dari bangun tidur sampai tidur lagi di malam hari. Coba kita artikan dulu ya. I'm an English teacher. Saya adalah seorang guru bahasa Inggris, and I have a big family, dan saya memiliki keluarga besar. So, I have a very busy daily routine. Jadi, saya memiliki kegiatan rutin yang sangat sibuk. First atau padat juga bisa. First, pertama-tama, nah ini penting banget. Ketika teman-teman ingin memulai sebuah cerita, jangan lupa menggunakan kata sambung first. Pertama. Oke, ketika teman-teman ingin memulai cerita. This one. First, I get up every day at 6 o'clock. Saya bangun setiap hari pada jam 6 tepat. Get washed and dress, mandi, kemudian ganti baju. And leave for work by 7:30. Kemudian bekerja, kemudian pergi bekerja sekitar jam 7.30. I get to school at 8 o'clock. Saya nyampe di sekolah pada jam 8 tepat. I prepare my lesson and then teach until noon. Saya menyiapkan pelajaran saya dan kemudian saya mengajar sampai siang. The other teachers and I always eat lunch. Okay, the other teachers and I, guru saya dan guru yang lainnya. Nah, ini penting banget juga. Ketika teman-teman ingin membuat subjek saya dan siapa, okay, itu biasanya I-nya ada di belakang. Misalkan saya dan teman saya. Jadi teman-teman mendahulukan my friends-nya dulu. My friends and I. Okay. My boyfriend and I. My parents and I. Gitu ya. Nah, kebetulan di sini adalah the other teachers and I. Saya dan guru yang lainnya selalu makan siang dan ngobrol bersama in the teacher's room, di ruang guru. I teach again in the afternoon. Kemudian saya ngajar lagi di sore hari. And then I correct my students' homework and tests. Kemudian saya mengoreksi pekerjaan rumah muridku dan juga ujiannya. After I get back home, setelah saya nyampe rumah, I help my kids with their homework. Saya membantu anak-anak saya mengerjakan PR. I have 3 kids in elementary school. Saya punya 3 anak di anak SD. Their names are Matthew, John, and Susie. Namanya adalah Matthew, John, sama Susie. Then I do some exercise. Kemudian saya berolahraga. Eat dinner, makan malam with my family dengan keluarga saya. And watch TV before I go to bed. Dan nonton TV sebelum saya pergi tidur. At about 10 o'clock, sekitar jam 10. We love to watch travel shows. Kita suka nonton pertunjukan travel atau program traveling kayak gitu. Finally, nah karena tadi ada first kan pembukaannya. First itu awalnya. Oke. Dan diakhiri dengan kata finally yang artinya akhirnya. I read in bed for a few minutes before I sleep. I fall asleep. Saya membaca di tempat tidur untuk beberapa menit sebelum saya tertidur. Jadi fall asleep itu artinya adalah tertidur. Tapi kalau bangunnya kesiangan itu nanti oversleep. Fall asleep ketiduran, oversleep kesiangan. Kebanyakan tidur. Nah, okay, makanya dia namanya over. So, well everyone, the conjunction that you can use here. Jadi conjunction atau kata penghubung yang bisa teman-teman gunakan di sini ada kata first sebagai pembuka cerita. Oke, okay. Kemudian you can change bisa ditambahin lagi seperti kata next. Selanjutnya boleh pakai next. Terus ada then. Oke, okay. Kemudian and then, dan kemudian, oke. Kalau teman-teman mau dikasih frase sebelum, sesudah, ketika juga boleh. Before, sebelum saya berangkat kerja, before I going work, I brush my teeth, dan lain sebagainya juga boleh. Tergantung ya. Tergantung kebutuhan teman-teman. Oke. Before, setelah, before, sebelum, after, setelah. Okay. Then kemudian you can say when juga ketika, while, sambil. Okay. Baru ditutup dengan kata finally. Nah, this one. Oke, dimulai dari first, kemudian silakan pilih conjunction yang teman-teman butuhkan, baru nanti ditutup dengan kata finally. Nah, ini cara untuk membuat cerita agar cerita itu runtun. Kadang kan ada yang pakai conjunction yang muter di kata then, and then, after that. Nah, cuma itu doang. Nah, teman-teman boleh diganti ya. Okay. Then for the next one, it belongs to the vocabularies. Vocabnya apa aja sis? Aku nggak tahu nih tentang kegiatan sehari-hari. Nah, it's already provided at your modules. Di modul teman-teman sudah ada vocab-vocab kegiatan sehari-hari. Mulai dari wake up sampai exercise juga ada semua. Get up, take a bath, take a shower, have breakfast, have brunch, have lunch, have dinner, have meeting, go to work, go to school. Go to-nya nanti bisa teman-teman ganti dengan nama tempat. Pergi ke bank, berarti go to bank, langsung aja. Pergi ke pasar, go to market. Do homework, go hang out, watch, scroll sosial media, wash the dish, oke, mencuci piring. Dish di sini itu artinya adalah cucian piring kotor, sorry. Wash the dish, makanya wash the dish artinya adalah mencuci piring. Brush your teeth, menyikat gigi. Brush my teeth, jadinya kalau saya menyikat gigi saya, brush my teeth. Kalau brush your teeth, berarti kamu menyikat gigimu. Go to bed, pergi tidur. Hit the gym, olahraga di gym. Exercise, yaitu olahraga. Nah, karena ada hubungannya dengan simple present, maka kita harus menggunakan verb 1 di setiap cerita kita. Nah, ada I am an English teacher, dia nominal sentence. I have a big family. Nah, ini ada have verb 1. I have very busy daily routine. Get, nah, get ini verb 1. Live verb 1. Prepare verb 1. Teach verb 1. Correct verb 1. Help juga verb 1. Jadi teman-teman fokus di penggunaan verb 1 dan bagaimana jalan ceritanya. So, based on the direction on our on our modules, di modul kita kan disuruh tell us about your weekday routine. Berarti tolong ceritakan kegiatan kesehariannya. Mulai dari bangun tidur sampai tidur lagi di malam hari, pagi sampai malam. Itu teman-teman ngapain aja di weekday? Hari Senin sampai Jumat. Kemudian disambung dengan weekend rutin. Sabtu minggunya teman-teman ngapain? Nah, okay. I'm going to give you time. Maybe you need to make some of the paragraph. Mungkin teman-teman butuh cara menyusunnya terlebih dahulu. I'm going to give you for about 3 minutes. 3 menit untuk menyusun ceritanya. 1, 2, 3, go. Oke, contohnya, wait, aku share contohnya di WhatsApp ya, teman-teman. Have you received? Sudah diterima contohnya? In a WhatsApp group. You can check. Nah, itu contohnya ya, teman-teman.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Ready? Siap? For telling about your daily routine?
Yeah.
Siap. Okay. If you are ready, it means that I'm going, remember ya, 2 kali cerita. Yang pertama adalah weekday routine dulu, dan yang kedua adalah weekend routine. Weekday and weekend. Nah, weekday hari Senin sampai Jumat, kemudian disusul hari Sabtu sampai Minggu. Okay. I'm going to lose it first. You have to tell it in your breakout room. It means that you have to tell with your partner. So I just made for about 20 groups only. Jadi cuma ada 20 groups. Okay. So well everyone, let's go.